welcome back to Delight's Kitchen. So today I'll be making a quick and easy crispy chicken burger, so let's get to it. So I've got my spices here. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper in here, which I'm quickly going to mix. I have my chicken breast here, which I just cut into fillets, and I'm just seasoning it. And then just rub it into the seasoning. I have my dipping station here, and I've got flour, eggs, crushed cornflakes, and I'm adding the same spices, which is onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and a bit of salt and pepper to the cornflakes. And I'm just giving that a quick mix. Okay, now we dip it into the flour. Flour goes into the egg, and then into the crumbs. Make sure it's fully coated. Second one, flour. Egg. And into the crumbs. I've just added oil to a pan. I'm adding my chicken. Just flipping the chicken. For the sauce, I've got mayonnaise with some garlic powder. I'm adding a bit of sriracha. What's there, 2 tablespoons, I suppose. You can do any sauce of your choice. This is some gherkins that I just chopped up. And I also need a bit of mustard. I'm going to add a bit of mustard to it as well. Salt and pepper. I've just toasted my buns. I'm adding sauce. My son actually asked me whether I made buns. It's a lot of work. This is just store-bought buns. I have my sauce, and then I'm adding my lettuce, some tomato which I already seasoned, the chicken, then I'm just adding a bit of I'm going to add my cheese. I don't know, where's my son? He's not the one that's supposed to guide me on this, because he normally makes it. And then a bit of fried onions. And the bun. Good. So this is my crispy chicken burger. I've just made a bit of chips with it, and I'm starving. Can't wait to dig in. So crispy chicken burger, and there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. The link and the recipe will be in the description. And don't forget to hit that like button on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for watching, and God bless.